Okay, so I will start from Jason. So Jason, what happens when acids react with metals?
When acids react with metals, the acid will react with metals which can form carbon dioxide gas.
Okay, it produces gas. That's correct. Stephen, in butterfly pea flower experiment, the colors was first made is blue. After adding lemon juice, the color changed to. What will happen if you add lemon juice into the butter pea flower water?
If we add lemon in butterfly pea flower, it will be change become red color because butterfly pea flower is can no acids.
Okay, so what is the pH of butterfly pea flower?
The pH of butterfly pea flower is
Is it alkaline?
alkaline.
Is it alkaline? Butterfly flower. Okay. George, what color would butterfly pea flower? What color would the butterfly pea indicator turn if we added a basic solution like salt or sample?
The color of the butterfly flower would be almost black or blue because the butterfly flower reacts with the base and it turns into a darker shade.
Blue. Oh yeah, it's a blue. Okay, so why is a butterfly pea flower extract called an indicator? Why is it called an indicator?
Reason.
Yeah. Why is a butterfly pea flower? Why is the extraction of butterfly pea flower is called an indicator?
The butterfly
Pea flower.
flower is called indicator because
Yes. Okay. But you are in the experiment center. You follow the experiment of the science project. This right? The experiment of the science project was done. You follow, right?
No.
See, oh, okay. Okay, so we go to IPA now. Bisa menjelaskan apa hubungan habitat dan alam raksasa? Cek. Hubungan habitat atau lingkungan hidup dengan alam pernafasan?
Hubungan dari habitat dan juga alat pernafasan adalah sebuah habitat bisa menentukan sebuah alat pernafasan bekerja. Jika habitat dari sebuah hewan tidak cocok, maka alat pernafasan mereka tidak akan beradaptasi dengan habitat tersebut. Maka mereka akan gampang
Mati.
ya.
Contohnya?
Seperti jika ikan dengan alat pernapasannya lincah berada di habitat daratan, ikan tersebut tidak bisa beradaptasi dan ikan akan mati.
Apa itu uniseluler dan berikan contohnya?
Uniseluler adalah sebuah
Oke. Apa yang disebut dengan apa itu uniseluler dan berikan contohnya, George?
uniseluler adalah organisme memiliki lebih dari satu sel.
Uniselular.
Ini semua. Uniselular adalah organisme yang
Oke. Apa itu organisme uniselular dan berorganisme?
Organisme uniselular adalah organisme yang
Kamu tahu apa itu vertebrata? Contohnya?
tidak memiliki tulang belakang.
Iya, contohnya?
Cacing.
Kucing. Apa itu prokaryota?
Karyota adalah organisme yang tidak memiliki
Tidak memiliki inti. Contohnya? Oke, kamu tahu tadi apa itu organisme uniselular? Apa?
organisme dengan sel tunggal.
Sel tunggal. Contohnya? Contohnya apa?
Apa? Fitur.
Okay. So now we go to the computer. I want to ask you this one first question. What does the word artificial in artificial intelligence mean? What does the word artificial?
Word artificial.
Yeah, word what does the word artificial in artificial intelligence mean?
The word artificial in artificial intelligence is
Mean?
it means that man-made.
Okay, man or fake. Yeah. Stephen, what does smart SMRT in smart technology stand for? You know, there is a phrase smart technology, right? Smart technology. So, what is the meaning of smart? What is the smart stand for?
Smart technology.
Smart technology.
Smart technology is technology that human made.
No, there is in the smart technology there is a word smart. So this smart is SMRT. So what is the meaning of each letter stand for?
Okay.
Before, do you know what smart? No. So we just complete. So why do computer systems need both systems and application software? Why do computer systems need both system and applications software?
Because both system and application software can help us with the function correctly.
Yeah, you can start by repeating the question first. Computer systems need both system and application
to function properly.
Yes.
From the question smart, Monchat teach us.
I get this one from the previous homework actually, from 23rd until 27th February. George have read from 23rd until 27th. Okay, we just check later. Okay, so Jackson, see what about the question about artificial? Yeah.
The word
Artificial already raised in the homework. So I take from the same homework actually. Okay, now we go to Felicia. Mention two examples of application software.
Application software.
Yeah.
YouTube.
YouTube. Another one.
Facebook.
So do you know what is software?
Application.
Software is
Something that we cannot touch. That is in the computer. Not in computer. In device.
device.
That's application.
Okay, now we go to the math. Please check your pen. So this is the simple equation usually. Convert 13 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. 13 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Okay. Next question. Terdapat dua segitiga sembanggung. Sisi yang pertama adalah 3 dan 6. Sisi yang pertama adalah 3 dan 6. Sementara sisi yang kedua adalah 4 dan X cm. Pertanyaannya adalah berapakah nilai dari X? Sisi yang pertama itu 3 dan 6. Sisi yang kedua adalah 4 dan X cm. So now we continue our student evaluation. So I will start to ask from science first. You need to repeat the question before you answer. Okay? I want you answer to inform the answer. What happens when acid reacts with the metals?
It produces
When
acid reacts with metals, it produces hydrogen gas.
Correct. Okay, so in extraction of butterfly pea flower, in the extraction of butterfly pea flower, the color first was made is blue. So what would happen after we add lemon juice? What will happen if we add lemon juice?
Oh, lemon. When we add the butterfly pea extract into the lemon juice, it will turn into red or pink color because it is acidic.
Okay. Sharon? So, Sharon, what color would the butterfly pea indicator turn if we added a basic solution like salt or sample? If we add salt or sample into the extraction of butterfly pea flower,
If soap or shampoo add to butterfly
pea flower,
flower, it will change to like
It will change into black or okay, it's okay. Next, we go to the next question. Speak already, sorry, I think. Okay, why is the butterfly pea flower extraction? Why is the extraction of butterfly pea flower is called an indicator?
Because when
The butterfly pea flower
the butterfly bee flower extraction is called
an indicator.
an indicator for pH scale, because when we pour another substances like acid or alkaline, the color will change based on what we place at the extraction.
Next, why is toothpaste slightly alkaline?
Toothpaste is slightly alkaline because it helps to neutralize our mouth when we eat from food that contains some acid.
Next, we go to IPA. Apa yang terjadi? Bisa kamu jelaskan hubungan antara habitat dengan alat pernafasan makhluk hidup? Bisa kamu jelaskan hubungan antara habitat dengan alat pernafasan makhluk hidup?
Alat pernafasan dan habitat dan alat pernafasan makhluk hidup bergantung pada jenis habitatnya. Misalnya di laut, bila mereka makhluk hidup di sana menggunakan lisan, di darat mereka menggunakan paru-paru ataupun kulit.
Jadi bagaimana jika makhluk hidup yang berada di laut berpindah habitatnya? Apa yang terjadi?
Mereka kan sulit untuk mengatasi perubahan tersebut karena memiliki alat pernafasan yang berbeda.
Oke. Apa itu organisme uniseluler dan berikan contohnya?
Organisme multiseluler uniseluler adalah organisme yang hanya memiliki satu sel. Contohnya bakteri.
Apa itu prokariota dan berikan contohnya?
Prokariota adalah organisme yang memiliki inti sel.
Yang memiliki inti sel.
Memiliki satu inti sel.
Contohnya? Oke. Apa yang dimaksud dengan vertebrata dan sebutkan contohnya?
Vertebrata adalah hewan yang tidak bertulang belakang. Misalnya, serangga seperti laba.
Serangga seperti laba-laba. Oke, Karen. Apa yang dimaksud dengan autotrof dan sebutkan contohnya?
Autotrof adalah hewan yang memang ruang konsentrasi melalui proses fotosintesis. Contohnya seperti hewan.
Hewan? Autotrof?
Tumbuhan.
Okay, now we go to the computer. So there's a phrase artificial intelligence. So I want to ask you, Karen, what does the word artificial stands for? What is the meaning of artificial in the artificial intelligence word? Ken, okay now? Okay, so I want to ask you about the smart technology. There is the word smart. in the smart technology. So can you explain what is the smart stand for?
SMART stands for self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology.
Sorry? Can you repeat again?
Self-monitoring,
Self-monitoring. Then?
analysis, report technology.
Okay, Sharon. What is software?
Software is
Speak louder.
program that cannot touch.
Program that cannot touch. Okay. Nevan, speak louder. Yeah? Okay. So in the word artificial intelligence, what is the word? What is the meaning of artificial?
Artificial means can be mimic or like AI
Yeah, AI is artificial intelligence. So what is the artificial means?
it could be
Okay. Nevan, what is the artificial means?
Artificial means they can mimic things like a human or even make decision.
Okay, so that is the meaning of artificial. So how about intelligence?
Intelligent they mean they are smart like us.
Then they can make the decision, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we go to the math. This is a simple answer. Convert 13 cube meter into the cube centimeter.
13
13, not decimal.
meter.
From 13 cube meter to cube centimeter. I want a quick answer. Quick. Elaine. Show me your answer. Just show me your answer. Just hold like this. Okay. Next question. Terdapat dua segitiga sebangun. Sisi yang pertama adalah 3 dan 6 cm. Sementara sisi yang kedua adalah 4 dan X cm. Berapakah nilai dari X? Tuliskan jawaban kemudian dikali. Oke, terus your answer.
Apa tadi sih?
Diulang sekali. Jadi ada dua segitiga sebangun. Sisi yang pertama adalah 3 dan 6, 3 cm dan 6 cm. Sedangkan sisi yang kedua adalah 4 cm dan X cm. Berapakah nilai dari X? Oke, ini coba. Proses. Jika jawab. Itu sentimeter ya, bukan sentimeter kuadrat. Oke.